All right, so we're back at it here again, guys. We're gonna take these old terminals that are on here. They're really beat up. And I believe, oh yeah, that one's cracked there. So we're gonna take this, couldn't find any cutoff wheels, but I have a grinding disc here. That'll still do the trick. It'll just take a little longer. But we're gonna go ahead and cut those ends off and then bolt the new ends on so we can get this battery that's been charged now on, so we can test his gas pedal and see how responsive it is now that we swap that out and there's no binding on that foot panel. So let's get these things cut off and get it put back on. Sketchy. Safety third. Okay. Let's go.
Thank you so much for choosing us to get you through your work day. It's something we're really good at. I've got Tucker Wetmore on now. This is his latest single. It's Wind Up.
I got those cinched down. Bolt through here. So this will be the positive. I'm gonna block of wood and nail that down. Crescent wrench. We'll tighten those two down. I heard sparks, we're good. Okay. Tight and tight. Let's give it some. Okay. Doesn't like it. Cold. So before this truck, you'll see it in the video, it had a floor mounted gas pedal. And what happened was we had so much dirt and debris that was kind of stuck behind the pedal. And the linkage was kind of all wrong because they had modified it, the owner before us. So we went ahead, we got a firewall mounted gas pedal. And so now you no longer have the holes in the floor where it's sitting. It's actually, it's off the ground and it's super responsive. Like you can put a little bit of weight on it and she loves it. So I'm excited to get it out and do some rollers. Stay tuned.